coffee lovers. Welcome back to Coffee Minutes, the podcast where your favorite brew meets life's best hacks. Whether you're commuting, working, or still curled up in bed, you're in the right place. If you've ever wondered how to start your day right with coffee and actually boost your productivity, this episode's for you. I'm Jenny, your host and your fellow caffeine-fueled creator. Today, we're diving into morning routines, the good, the bad, and the coffee-infused. We'll break down how to build energy-boosting habits, the best time to sip your cup of joe, and how to avoid those dreaded afternoon crashes. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for my productivity planners and coffee books. They're there to help you design a better day, one sip at a time. And if you'd like to support this podcast, head to ko-fi.com/coffeeminutes. Every coffee helps keep this show brewing. Let's start with this truth. How you start your morning sets the tone for the rest of your day. If you're rushing out the door, chugging cold coffee, and checking your phone first thing, chances are you're already in reactive mode. Let's fix that. Step 1. Establish a grounded wake-up routine. Instead of jumping out of bed and going straight for the caffeine, give yourself a buffer. Experts suggest taking 15 to 30 minutes before drinking coffee. Why? Because right after waking, your body's natural cortisol levels, that stress-regulating hormone that also helps you feel awake, are at their peak. If you drink coffee immediately, you might reduce the coffee's effectiveness and increase tolerance over time. Try stretching, sipping warm lemon water, or simply opening a window to get sunlight. These small actions send a signal to your brain, hey, we're starting the day. Step 2. Delay coffee for maximum focus. Here's a little productivity hack backed by science. Wait about 60 to 90 minutes after waking to drink coffee. That's when cortisol levels start dipping, and your body genuinely needs a caffeine boost. Delaying your coffee slightly helps you feel more energized for longer and reduces dependence. This small tweak alone can make a huge difference in your focus mid-morning. Want to be super productive by 10 a.m.? Time your first cup for around then. Step 3. Combine coffee with high-impact morning habits. Now that your coffee is brewed and perfectly timed, let's pair it with some intentional routines. Journaling or planning your day. While you sip, write out your top 3 priorities for the day. Reading something inspiring or educational. Feed your mind along with your body. Light movement. A short walk or 10-minute stretch helps activate your brain and digestion. This way, your morning coffee becomes more than a habit, it becomes a ritual. Step 4. Watch out for the caffeine crash. We've all been there. Super focused in the morning, then boom, 2 p.m. hits, and we feel like napping under our desks. The afternoon slump is real. To avoid this, here are a few quick tips. Don't overdo your first cup. Stick with 1 regular cup instead of a triple espresso. Hydrate early and often. Coffee is mildly dehydrating, so balance it with water. Eat a protein-rich breakfast. Coffee on an empty stomach can spike and crash your energy. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. That's key to avoiding sleep disruption later at night. Bonus hack. Try a coffee nap. Here's where we nerd out. Have you heard of a coffee nap? It sounds weird, but it works. The idea is to drink a small cup of coffee, then immediately take a 15 to 20-minute nap. Since it takes about 20 minutes for caffeine to kick in, you wake up just as the coffee hits your system, feeling more alert than with coffee or a nap alone. It's great for beating afternoon fatigue or powering through long creative sessions. Try it once, you'll be surprised. And now for your favorite segment, the fun coffee fact of the day. Did you know that coffee naps can actually improve your energy more than just coffee alone? Yep, science-backed and productivity approved. That wraps up today's episode on building a better morning routine with coffee and focus hacks. Start small, be consistent, and let your coffee work for you, not against you. If you enjoyed today's tips, don't forget to check out the links in the description for my productivity planners and coffee books. They're perfect companions to a mindful, energized day. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee or support this channel, visit ko-fi.com/coffeeminutes. Every bit helps and is deeply appreciated. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep sipping with purpose and stay awesome.